Hi guys, welcome back. You're watching us because you need financial guidance, financial advice, right? And today what we're going to do is we're going to recommend you some of the YouTubers, some of the top YouTubers that we follow, from whom that we are learning on a daily basis, and from whom that because of them that we are able to share some information with you, right? Uh, Without wasting any more time, I'm going to hand over to my friend on the other side and open the floor so he can share the top YouTubers that you should follow because we follow them too.
Right, right. Yeah, we don't have time to show everything. We have like 620 YouTubers we follow. But we're going to show you guys the main ones, right? You don't have to do it in a harder way like we did. But just follow these. I think we have like 13 YouTubers we're going to show you guys. Just follow them. That's all you need to do. They're going to give you tons of information in terms of financial education that you need to have to become, wealthy. So let me jump in and share my screen. That way you can see that in action. I think this is the screen. Let me know, Randy, if you can see.
I can see your screen. Yes.
Oh, okay, great, great. So the first one is we opened all these YouTubers the homepage, right? So you can kind of get their names here, and then you should be able to. We will also leave a link down below in a description, but you should be able to follow along and click the link, and then subscribe to their channels, and then you should be able to follow their videos. They have tons of videos. So let me go back. The first one is Meet Kevin. This is the website that you should follow for real estate investing, or any kind of he talks about so many different things, and he has a lot of courses and stuff like that, but uh, I'm not going to explain every detail about every channel, but just take this, Meet Kevin, and then just subscribe to his channel. The next one is Minority Mindset. So he is really good at. He's a lawyer, but he has done a lot of work on different topics, and it's really very clear to understand some topics. So also he has tons of videos. Find the two videos every day. I think he's putting videos these days. So just subscribe to this, and if you don't like him, just unsubscribe it.
And the good thing is some of those home pages you have the statistics, right? The number of videos, number of views, the length, and all that information. So that's
That's
a good snapshot view.
right. Yeah. So the third one is Graham Stephen, right? So he's grown like a so lot in the last 2 years. He's a real estate agent. All these three that most of the folks that we are talking about is all real estate agents, but they do this also real estate
And
investment.
we are too, by the way.
Right, right. Exactly. And they do the real estate investment and also, YouTubers. So think about it, the diversification. That's how, that's what they are all doing. So in this case, Graham actually, he has grown last 2 years a lot. Like right now he got 2.2 million subscribers, uh, almost 500 videos. Take a look at him, and he's really good at explaining things. And the next one is I follow this financial education channel, and he has two channels. This is the one channel that I follow, and is if you're into stock investing, if you're looking for which stock to invest, and he used to work in a store, like somewhere I forgot, I think Walgreens or CVS, as a cashier, right? But he became a millionaire. He investing in stocks. So I think you should follow. He has been doing it for 10 plus years, I think. So and then next guy is this guy is again Ricky is again stock investment guy. If you are into stock investment, then you can follow him. He has a video every day, and he has a Facebook group also with almost 300,000 users. So take a look at it if you like this kind of work. And Andriy, right? Andriy Zik. He's a Russian immigrant, and he has done a lot of work in last 6 months, I would say. Like, you take a look at how hard it, like some of the things that how he explained in a simple terms. I don't think anybody can do that, and he does it in a very funny way. So just take a look at him.
Yeah.
And the next one is Let's Talk Money with Joseph, and he's good. He explained in a different way. Like, if you look up all these guys, right? Basically, they have their own way of
Right.
saying things, right? So sometimes
And
you may
even the
get
way that they dress up, some people are funny, some people are so suited up, very sharp, and and us, we are different too. See, I'm wearing short sleeve, right? So everyone has different styles, but great messages. And you can also figure out that most of them are kind of based or revolves around the real estate investment, stock investment. That's kind of the meat of what we talk about.
exactly. That's right. So you just take a look at him, and let me move this up. So the next one is again like Cooper Academy. It's also again for investing. There are tons of very informative videos, right? Like, it will
Right.
give you a lot of insights. That's if you want that, if you want more insights about investing, you should just watch these things. You will gain a lot of knowledge rather than doing by yourself and learning by mistakes. These things will teach you a lot. And the next one is Morris Invest. So he and his wife does this channel, and they are really good at it. And they also talk about a lot of different good stuff. So just take a look at it. And Nate O'Brien is a very young guy, and he's I think he's doing this YouTube full time. And he and his brother, his channel grew a lot. Like, when I joined, he had like 200,000, less than 200,000 in 6 months ago or a year ago. Now it's double, more than doubled. So take a look at him. He's really good at explaining. So, and another one, Ryan, he's also really good at his subscriber also changed like almost double in last few months. So he has done a lot of work, and these guys live by whatever they're preaching, right? So that is exactly what they're doing. So they're telling from their experience, and they have been doing this for several years. So you don't have to learn by after 10 years you might learn these techniques by doing yourself, rather than that. Then you can just go and watch these things. You will save a lot of your time and money, resources, everything. Last couple of channels, and then I'll be done with this. So Our Rich Journey is a family, husband, wife. They moved from US to Portugal, I think, and then they even buying a house there, and they settled down there. They are financially independent right now, and how they did it in 10 years, how they did it, working together. 10 years they made this, right? They're not working now, so they're just doing YouTube. And last one is the Marco. He's a very funny guy, and his channel is Whiteboard Finance. And you guys can take a look at. He also has like 100 plus videos, 155 videos. So I think hopefully you guys got some new channels that you never knew about before from this video, and hopefully this is helpful.
Yeah, and these guys are the guys like you mentioned, rightly mentioned. These guys are the guys who walk the talk.
Right.
They do what they preach. So that's the important thing, just like we do. And we're just beginning, but these guys, we learn from these guys, and vice versa, probably if they're watching us too. And so we just want to share our gurus, so you can get some great information. And thank you so much for sharing, Venkat. And until next time, it's goodbye from us.
Bye, guys.